Good morning, YouTube. Doing a quick little cold start video here of the V10, which I have discovered has the bad glow plugs in it from the Volkswagen PD pump deuce glow plug recall. They swapped out the original 7-volt ceramic plugs for 5-volt steel plugs, which do not work nearly as well as one would like. So we're going to fire it up, do a couple glow plug cycles. The Webasto's been running only for about 5 minutes, just to take the edge off. So we'll see what happens here.
Four vehicles out. We have tow trucks out, battery trucks out, and what we call our light service vehicles.
Andrew Mollenbeck, WTOP News.
Virginia's former First Lady is set to be sentenced for corruption today.
Not bad for 3 degrees.